And I think I finally figured out with my country ass, redneck citied with all this technology, between I think reading a post on a GoPro forum and them being confused and me being confused, I think I figured out why we're hearing all the noise at speeds of about 35 or 40 miles an hour. I do have a filter over the top of this 20S setup, and it worked good with the other setup. My visor's fogging. And it didn't do so good with an echo and a bunch of other things. Well, on the audio pack, there's a on-off for mic. Well, I thought you turned the mic to on so you could use your wireless or, Bluetooth, whatever you want to call it, setup. Well, that's not the case, I believe, and we're about to find out. That's for the external microphone built in to the audio pack. So what you're hearing is it picking up a tremendous amount of road noise from the wind hitting the case that the GoPro's in, and then that was giving the echo effect because it's also hearing my voice, which the GoPro pack is trying to record over that. Oh, good God. Skunky, boy. Skunky love. So we'll find out. Just a short ride. I also changed some resolution from 1080-60 to 1080-30. Just because it's an early morning ride. It's about 7:15, I think. And it's kind of pretty out. We're just gonna shoot down here, do a U-turn, test this out. I believe this will fix the problems. If it don't, I'm gonna absolutely lose my mind. I don't know what else to do other than go back to the plug-in microphone with my other helmet. I also thought it was this helmet. If you listen to some of my Goldwing videos, you hear some popping, and the popping noise or clicking, I'm guessing, is from the microphone picking up the top of the helmet, making a lot of noise. So we'll see. I think this will fix it. I also wanted to check the low light settings just to see what it looked like. I've popped the visor open again now because it's fogging up, just to see how much noise we get in here. I will be doing a review of the actual filter or cover for the microphone that I bought. I tried a couple different things. I'll go over that in the review. I bought two of them. I'm going to be taking the one off my other helmet if this mic pack and everything works out on this ride, and switching it back and forth, the microphone cover anyway, to my son's helmet. We're going to go on a little Goldwing ride probably this afternoon. Get a little lunch. I just serviced the Goldwing. I'll go over that in the video too. I finished up the CBR 600RR yesterday. The video I took with it was still having the same problems with this microphone, so I'm going to go ahead and use that video and see what happens. My frustration level was pretty high when I was doing that because I was realizing that it's probably going to sound like a dog dick, and just wasn't sounding right. And again, I'm going to give credit to these guys that have these motovlog channels. You know, getting good quality audio that doesn't sound horrible, it has not been the easiest. So again, we'll test this, and then on this 1080 by 30 to see how much light we have in for low level. I've only done one other night ride, and that was coming out of Harley night at Fort Thunder Harley a couple of months ago. I had it set at 1080 by 60, and it pretty much, there was very little light as the clouds and stuff started going over to the sun. So it got kind of dim at the end, and I wasn't able to use a lot of it. So again, guys, appreciate you support. Don't forget to like, subscribe. You know, definitely enjoying this, and that's part of the fun, I think, is figuring out what works and what don't work. And I can tell you that it comes to tricks of trades. You know, I don't know that a lot of guys will step out there and tell you everything that they do. Oh, he said do. But you need to have good quality gear. I have a cheap microphone that I bought because I thought I'd save a little money. Did not work worth a junk with the GoPro. It just caused frustration. A lot of time you just get pissed. So, and you end up having to get mad because everything sounds goofy. And then you move on and figure it out. So, what about that football game yesterday for you Sooner fans? Woo! Another close one pulled off, but they managed to squeeze it on by. And guys, I'll be back with you here in a little while. Just again, a microphone check to see what's going on and how everything is. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, players.